Good morning, happy Wednesday. Today's new palette we're going to use is going to be the Earth and Ocean Shadow palette by e.l.f. I just was trying to find something that wouldn't take me to the maroon place that I've been going. So I may not go into the blues, but I like these colors on this side. Look like they could do something that I haven't really done before. So that's what we're doing. We're going to take, of course, the first shader brush is the flat brush by Morphe that I have. But we need to figure out which shade we want to use. We have Desert Storm, Spruced Up, Can't Kelp It. Want to see which one? I think we're going to go with Desert Storm. It's the third color from the right when you're looking at it. I'm going to put that down as a transition. Okay. There we go. Is this still too bright? There. I think y'all could see that better now. All right. Next, we may have to go into the blue section. Oh, that's too blue. Not really the direction I'm trying to go today. Let's go with Can't Kelp It. I don't know. Spruced Up seems a little light. See the green? It seems a little light, but we might try that one first. Let's go ahead and try that one first. We're going to use Spruced Up. It's like trees. And we're trying to focus it on the outer corner first. All right, let's go on the other side. That actually does work pretty good. All right. And tomorrow I'm going on Throwback Thursday. I'm going to use a purple palette. Because May is Lupus Awareness Month and purple is their color. And I want to do a couple of purple looks this month, but the 10th is World Lupus Awareness Day. And I'm going to look up some things to put in the description bar for y'all tomorrow for that video. My friend Simone has lupus, my aunt, and a couple of my other friends. But Simone is the one that inspired me to do the autism awareness giveaway every year to spread awareness. This year she can't do hers, which is fine. We can still spread awareness for her. And for all the other people. So I'm going to do that tomorrow in tomorrow's video. And possibly do another purple look on Friday's video. Because I do have a lot of purple shadows. I'm just trying to blend this a little. All right, we got a lot of pretty shimmers here. We have Sahara, Gold Rush, Sun Yourself, Rock Bottom. Ooh, Tundra. Oh my gosh, I love that color. Fuji Feels. Like I said, we're focusing on the green side this time. Look at that Tundra color. That's that one right there. That really shiny one. Not exactly sure. It's got big chunks of glitter, so I think it's more like a pressed glitter. So we might use that, but we might not. I kind of liked the Gold Rush and the Sun Yourself, honestly. Look at the Gold Rush. It's light though. I mean, that's Sun Yourself. Gold Rush is like literally just gold. Sahara, I think it'll blend in too much with the green. Rock Bottom. Fuji Feels. Let's try the Sun Yourself and see what happens. Hello, Eric. How are you? Okay, we're going to use Sun Yourself and see how that works. We could always take it off. We're going to start in the middle. Oh, that works. That works really, really pretty. That is really pretty. That was a good choice. The only reason I'm focusing on the green side is because in April, I focused a lot on the blues when I had a choice. So I'm trying to do something different. Plus, if I'm not mistaken, I haven't used very many greens on this channel. All right, now we're gonna take this little blending brush by e.l.f. and we're gonna go into Spruced Up. We're gonna try to put that on the outer edge. This is the green color. We're gonna build it up on that outer V area. To darken that edge, and then we're gonna take the pencil brush and kind of pull the green under the eye. Only right there in the corner for right now. Where's that? I was looking for that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and build it up on the outer corner like we did on the other side. I'm just kind of placing it and smudging it out as I go. All right, and then we're gonna take that same little brush and we are going to put the green just right there. All right, we'll pull it all the way through now. On that side at least. We're gonna take the crease brush that we used and gently try to pull that a little further and kind of define that crease a little more. Fluff the bottom. Then we're gonna take a little bit of Desert Storm, just a little, and fluff that on the bottom right there. And over the top. A little more. Now we're going to take the blending brush. All right. And then I want to take a little bit of, let me clear this. I want to see what Tundra does. Yeah, it's little chunks of glitter. So we'll just take some of those chunks of glitter on this brush and add it to the top. That's what I thought it was. And we'll just give, that way every once in a while there's a little sparkle. And then we need to take the Star Island highlighter from Ofra and Samantha March. And we're gonna put that in the inner corner. We're gonna put the goldish color on the inner corner. And we're gonna put it there. I actually like the way this turned out. It was really pretty. I liked it. I really do like this. All right, let's put some of this on. Mostly for the eyes. And then take the clean side of the sponge and set the spray. All right, I don't know what I did with the mascara or lipstick. We'll put on some lip gloss and I'll find a thing. This is the Fresh Sugar lip gloss. I love it. Let's go with this maroon color by Ulta. And there we go. The Benefit Roller Lash, because this eye look does look like it'll look a lot better with some lashes. Actually, mascara just brings out my lashes. And there we go. The final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.